If you're over 60, you've probably had that moment. You stretch your legs at night, and suddenly a sharp cramp takes over. That kind of pain can stop you in your tracks. But even if you haven't experienced it yet, it's never too early to protect your muscles and keep them strong. Leg cramps often appear without warning, especially as we age. But don't worry, that's exactly why we made this video. Today, you'll discover 5 powerful foods nature has already given us to help relax your muscles, restore circulation, and keep those painful cramps away before they even begin. And we'll also talk about the real science behind each food, so you understand why they work and how to include them safely in your daily routine. But remember, not every food works the same for everyone. Some people may need to make adjustments based on their health conditions. If you're managing kidney disease, heart issues, or diabetes, it's always best to talk with your doctor before making big changes to your diet. So let's start with the first one, avocados. These creamy green fruits are loaded with potassium and magnesium, 2 minerals that play a direct role in muscle contraction and relaxation. When your potassium drops, muscles can tighten suddenly, leading to painful spasms. A single avocado provides nearly 1,000 milligrams of potassium, almost twice as much as a banana. That's a big deal for your muscles. Plus, avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats that improve blood flow and reduce inflammation, keeping muscles nourished and oxygenated. But moderation matters. Avocados are calorie-dense, so half an avocado a day is usually enough for most seniors. The second food on our list is sweet potatoes. This colorful root isn't just comfort food, it's real nourishment for your muscles. It's packed with potassium, calcium, and magnesium, the powerful anti-cramp trio. These nutrients work together to keep your body's fluids balanced, support proper muscle function, and prevent those painful dehydration-related cramps. Unlike regular potatoes, sweet potatoes also bring a boost of antioxidants, like beta-carotene and vitamin C, which help reduce muscle inflammation and support recovery after activity. And here's something especially important for older adults managing diabetes. Sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic index. That means they release sugar more slowly, giving you steady, balanced energy throughout the day. Just remember, moderation matters. One medium sweet potato a few times a week is plenty to get all the benefits without overdoing it. The third food on our list is leafy greens, especially spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These are nature's true magnesium champions. Magnesium helps your muscles relax after every contraction. It's what allows the body to let go after movement. Without enough of it, your muscles can stay tense, which often leads to painful cramps. But that's not all. Leafy greens also deliver calcium and vitamin K for stronger bones, plus natural nitrates that improve blood flow, something many older adults struggle with as circulation slows down. Just a single cup of cooked spinach or kale each day can make a meaningful difference for your muscle and bone health. And a quick but important note: if you're taking blood-thinning medication, talk with your doctor before making big changes. Vitamin K can interact with certain medications, and your doctor can help you find the right balance. The fourth food on our list is bananas. Yes, the classic cramp-fighting fruit truly lives up to its reputation. Bananas are one of the easiest and most natural ways to restore potassium and magnesium levels, especially after sweating or even light physical activity. They're also rich in vitamin B6, which supports healthy nerve communication, something your muscles rely on for smooth movement and proper coordination. For many seniors, eating one banana a day can noticeably reduce the frequency of cramps. And if you're managing diabetes, here's a smart tip. Pair your banana with a handful of nuts or a slice of whole grain toast. This helps slow sugar absorption and keeps your blood sugar levels steady, while still giving your muscles the minerals they need. And finally, the fifth food is nuts and seeds, nature's tiny powerhouses. Almonds, pumpkin seeds, walnuts, and flax seeds are packed with magnesium, a mineral your muscles need to relax after every contraction. They're also rich in healthy fats that calm inflammation and improve blood circulation, ensuring your muscles get the oxygen they need to stay strong and pain-free. Pumpkin seeds are especially high in magnesium, while walnuts and flax seeds provide omega-3 fatty acids that ease muscle tension and support joint health. You don't need much, just a small handful of nuts or a tablespoon or two of mixed seeds is enough to get those benefits. And remember to choose unsalted and raw or dry roasted options to avoid extra sodium, since too much salt can lead to dehydration and trigger more cramps. I know what you're probably thinking, can I really eat all these foods? The truth is, you don't have to eat them all or every single day. What matters most is consistency and balance. Maybe have an avocado with breakfast one day, a sweet potato at lunch the next, and a small handful of nuts or seeds as a snack. These little choices may not seem like much at first, but over time, they add up, helping your muscles stay stronger, your circulation smoother, and those painful nighttime cramps fade away. And one more reminder, hydration is key. Even the best foods can't work if your body is running low on water. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses a day and more if you're active or in a warm climate. If you're serious about staying mobile, flexible, and pain-free well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond, start with one simple change today. Add one of these foods to your next meal and give your muscles the care they truly deserve. And one more thing. If your cramps are severe, frequent, or come with numbness or weakness, please talk to your healthcare provider. Sometimes, cramps aren't just about nutrition or hydration. They can be a signal from your body that something deeper needs attention. Getting it checked early can make all the difference. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really supports our work and helps us reach more people like you. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, because we share new practical tips every week to help you live stronger, longer, and wiser, right here on Everwise Living.